Thank you for such a great warmth, which is very tangible to me, standing here. Before I talk, they keep telling me talk less. Reading, I don't choose. The last book I read was from a Kannada writer, Vasudhendra. I've liked his short stories. So I've been reading that book.
Okay, thank you. Okay,
And the
sir.
book I have now in my bag is Yuganta by a Marathi writer, Airavati Karve. I'm just reading that.
Knowing multiple languages is always a great knowledge, you feel?
Knowing language is a window. You have more windows to see out. It helps you. It's so beautiful to learn languages because, according to me, language is just a sound.
Right.
It is pregnant with a lot of things. It's pregnant with the ideology, with the thought process, with the culture of those people. So I get to understand people when I read literature and when I talk to them in their language.
Right.
You, me, the human beings are the parasites on this earth. Earth will survive without us. Don't ever have the arrogance that mankind will save nature. Don't be arrogant with nature. You have to survive with nature. Yeah.
In this backdrop, your positions are much appreciated, but you always keep a safe distance from political parties. Could you please tell us whether
I don't keep safe distance from political parties. I don't let them in at all.
No. The thing is, you take
No.
you take a conscious decision
No, I have thought over it.
not to align with any political party.
No, I have thought over it. Because I have taken it. It's my life. And I have thought over it, had great friends sitting over it. You know, we have burned a lot of oil and candlelight and saying. See, I just asking foundation now, or Prakash Raj Foundation, has many lawyers, IRS officers, IAS officers, writers, theatre activists. We have sat together and we have realized that we should be catalysts.
Hope you are aware about the Me Too campaigning, which is happening around you. And of course, most of the cases are popping out from the media and theatre industry. Maybe you had witnessed or personally came across those incidents or something like that. So we all would like to know what is your stand on it.
Men, it is time men realized, with or without knowledge, men are predators. It is shameful to ask a woman when she complains to give evidences. We as a society, Me Too is one of the most strongest movement because we men should be ashamed that we didn't start it, they started it. The basic thing we could do is to be sensitive to them. Basic is for a man to say sorry, man to accept. And I see a lot of men also saying that I did not intend. Well, say you did not intend, that doesn't mean her pain is not true. So say, I did not intend, but sorry if I have done this to you. At least be that sensitive. And we see men jumping now. They're jumping because they are responsible for it. And I'm very happy for you, woman. More power to you all. Keep fighting.
For 3,000 crores, and majority of Indians are starving, and we are poor people, and Gujaratis also have, the farmers have problem. What is your response? Do you think that is a solution?
What do you think of a leader of this country? When Kerala flood happens, he gives 100 crores and then sends 500 crores. And who thinks he can spend 3,000 crores to build a statue? What an insensitive leader do we have? What an insensitive leader do we have? You should raise that question. Do you know that? I mean, it is open. Megalomaniac, an ego-centered idiot fellow. He can't do this. He can't do this to this country. When there are no jobs in this country, when the agrarian crisis is happening in this country, this cannot be done. And it is our money. It is our money. We are not begging. It is our money. We should ask him that question. And I think he should be made to pay for what he has done with us, with the taxpayers' money. Please, as a media, spread this. Isn't it? 3,000 crores, sir. And a state which needs 20,000 crores to stand on its feet, which will take decades to stand on its feet, is been given 500 crores?
Just to know your thoughts on Supreme Court verdict and the BJP's stand on Sabarimala issue, and the stand which is taken by the Kerala government also.
If every one of us believe that we were given birth by a woman, and if you call Earth the Mother Earth, if she wants to worship, let her do it. Or you take her to do it. Any religion which does not ask a woman, my mother, to worship is not a religion to me. Any bhakt who will stop my mother from worshipping is not a bhakt to me. And any God who doesn't want my mother to worship him is not God to me.